Quranic Practices from the 12th of the 7th month of 1446. If revelation and inspiration is sufficient, why would we need another's independent reason? Devotion didn't need centuries of thought to have a working tradition. Combinations are personal and open to everyone without impersonal accumulations. Foundations of beliefs and deeds are already there. Ceremony and relations were already enacted before alleged orthodoxy. Pleasure and nurture is not denied, but controlled. Representations of the framework of soul and the return will go beyond customs. And this relates to Quran, Hadith, Sunnah, Ijtihad,